In this lesson, we will learn how to crochet, how to read first of all, how to read this diagram, and then we will crochet this flower together following the diagram. So at first, let's look at the diagram and see what the symbols are and what we're going to crochet here. So first of all, you will see this red arrow. It is the beginning of work. This is where you will start. And the other triangle right here, red triangle, this is the ending of the work. This is where you finish. A red line, curved line throughout motif is the packing cord. For packing cord, normally we take 2 strands of thread thicker than the working thread, or 4 or more strands of thread. It is the matter of taste how textured you want your motif to look like. So there's no really indication on the diagram how thick is supposed to be your packing cord, but in the text, it's Japanese text, what I figured, I think this is what it is, 18 single crochet stitches. I think this is what it is, but for the packing cord they're talking about probably 2 strands of thread, I think. Or this could also mean 18 single crochet stitches twice, 2 rounds. So I am not sure. The packing cord I used for my flower was 27 inches long times 4. So 27, it's a 1 length for the whole entire flower. 27 inches times 4, that means how long actually it has to be. And then you fold it in 4. So next, when you will start your crochet, you will fold the packing cord into a form of a circle and connect your working thread to the packing cord into a loop of packing cord with slip stitch. And then you make a circle of 18 single crochet stitches once, and then go and crochet 1 more time, again single crochet stitches. Through entire work of this diagram, you will crochet into the back loops. How do you know it's a back loop? Under each stitch you have this small line. Every single stitch in here, double crochet, have double crochet stitches, have lines underneath. So that means that you will crochet over the into the back loop of each stitch. Also, those broken lines, dotted lines everywhere, those indicates that you have to connect. As you crochet, you connect 1, 2, 3, and 4 stitches. So you basically connect petals between each other as you crochet. Those arrows right here throughout the diagram, they show you the direction in which you crochet. So first you go like this, and then you come here, and you have the arrow that shows you how to crochet your motif next with petals. This is how you go. You make circle, and then you attach petals at the end. This will be those numbers right here, 1, 2, here 6. All those numbers are numbers of petals. And let's look at the petal itself. So when you will make your circle, I will zoom for you to see better. When you will form circle, you continue crochet over the packing cord, first row of the petal. You continue crochet 15 single crochet stitches. Those numbers here give you the number of stitches you will crochet so that you don't have to count. So first you crochet over the packing cord, and then you will drop your packing cord and crochet 2 rows inside for the inside of the body of the petal, and you will go back this way, crochet into the back loops, and first you crochet 3 single crochet stitches and you can see them 1, 2, and 3. And then you have right in here half double crochet, and then you have 6 double crochet stitches, again 1 half double and 3 single crochet stitches. So what I noticed in all Japanese diagrams, they give you the number, they write a number of those stitches that are drawn on the diagram in more numbers than 1. So here we have 3, it's a single crochet stitches, then you have to just very carefully look at the diagram before you make it. There's 1 half double, and 6 number you don't have to count, this is for double crochet stitches. So after you make this row, you again going back, you connect first after the last stitch, you connect it to your circle part, to the center of the flower with single crochet stitch into the back loop, and you going back, turning your work, crochet first 5 single crochet stitches, half double, 4 double crochet stitches, again half double, and 3 single crochet stitches. This right here, small single crochet stitch, this is when you pick up packing cord again, make 1 single crochet stitch over the packing cord only, and then turn your work and crochet over the packing cord and into the last row of the petal, again into the back loops. You crochet 15 single crochet stitches, and you go all the way to the center of the flower and connect over the packing cord into the 2 stitches of the center, make 2 single crochet stitches into the back loop, and then you repeat exactly the same pattern as this one. So each petal is done the same way. On the diagram you have only 3 petals that are shown how they are made. They are exactly the same. I'm sorry, I zoomed a little bit too much instead of zoom out. And other 3 petals are just made their few stitches for the start. That's it. And you connect petals when you will start the next petal right here. After the 2 stitches that you connected to the center, you will turn your work again, and you will connect, you will crochet over the packing cord and over this first petal 4 single crochet stitches. You connect it, and then you continue, it says 11 stitches over the packing cord only. So first 4 stitches over the packing cord and over the last row of the first petal, and then 11 more only over the packing cord, and then you repeat everything as here. And this is how you go around and around. This is how you read the pattern, and in the next video we will crochet this together.